On the customer portal zone, you will find a tab on the left-hand side that takes you to an analysis section. And the focus of today is the assets overview. This is a tool that will allow you to conduct research on any asset that's of interest to you. It's got the entire universe of assets that you are able to trade through FXPesa. This is going to run into the thousands, so clearly we want to do some filtering here to try and find the best opportunities that are most of interest to you. The most simple way of finding the asset that's of interest is just by using the search function at the top, and you can type in any asset that you like and it will bring up the results for you that are most relevant. We can also use the filtering tool, so we can look at all the different asset classes. We can also look at various regions as well. There's also a way of selecting themes, so we can actually try and find what are the best performing assets at the moment and the worst performing to really narrow down that search and allow you to find opportunities that will be interesting today. So we have the chart function, which will allow us to view the changes in price and news sentiment over extended periods of time. Now we can look at that on a daily basis, or we can go even more granular and look at the changes over the last few hours by just simply toggling between 1 hour and 1 day. We can also look at news that's relevant to this particular asset and actually visualize this on the chart. Sometimes we see big changes in price and don't often know the reasons why. By using this tool, we can actually pinpoint particular articles or news stories that have come out and influenced price. We also can look at news sentiment. So again, using this artificial intelligence tools that we have, we are summarizing millions of articles on a daily basis. We can also look at volatility. So we have a scale between below average and above average. If volatility is above average, it suggests that markets are moving quite erratically and quite wildly, and we want to be maybe targeting things that have lower volatility and therefore trending steadily higher. The final section is news volume. So this is where we can actually see how much news is coming out on this particular asset at the moment compared to the sector average. If we see news volume being particularly high, that means that the asset is being spoken about in many articles, and perhaps means that something's going on that we should be interested in and can help you formulate your trading setups.